Why Taiwan is less infected with COVID-19? Keep watching. Using hand sanitizer to keep the bacteria away or to kill the viruses is very important uh, to protect ourselves from COVID-19. Not only hand sanitizers, but other sanitizing liquids have to be used to clean up the things you might use in your office or in your workplace. That's why in Taiwan we use these liquid sanitizers to clean our hands and also the things we like to use. This is very important. And not only that, we also use uh, body checkup, yeah, using the scanning machines, infra cameras, uh, through using the screens and like that. We try to know the body temperatures, but these are not enough. And also, we also need to eat uh, healthy, simple, healthy foods like this, like vegetables and yeah, kind of foods. I mean, healthy, complete healthy foods and the simple cooking. But the question is, are they good enough? By using sanitizer, by using masks, by eating good food, are not really good enough to protect ourselves from COVID-19. So one reason why so less people are infected in Taiwan is it's not only because the Medicare is good, we have insurance system, but also how active people are. And people love to do exercise. You know, in the last 3 4 days, Taiwan has been, I mean, North Taiwan has been getting this heavy rain for 3 4 days continuously. But now, as you can see here, all the people are, once the rain stops, today is sunny, so all the people coming out and you see doing exercise. This is what Taiwanese do every day. I mean, instead of going out for fun and having uh, doing other things, you know, many people are very conscious about health, and so they come out here in this park, and as you can see, hundreds and hundreds of them here doing exercise. And this is not just for one time. This is very regular. This is regular uh, things Taiwanese do. Yes, we need to have social distancing. We also need to eat good food, and we also need to use masks, and we also, you know, need to follow the World Health Organization's protocol, the guidelines to protect ourselves from COVID-19. But one of the most important factor to uh, keep away this COVID-19 is regular exercise. I think, I believe one reason why Taiwanese are less infected might be because we are very close to actually China. It's very close to China, and our Taiwanese people go out abroad, you know, a lot as they can afford that, and that they come back from Europe, from America, and from other countries. But how come so less people are infected? I think because of this lifestyle, I mean, very active lifestyle, very regular exercise, and this is just one thing you can see here in the park, how people are, I mean, active and serious in exercise. But also uh, in Taiwan, amidst COVID-19 spread, the gyms are actually, all gyms are open here in Taiwan. While in other countries, gyms and education institutes are all closed, but here in Taiwan, all the institutes are open, and we are still having classes. The restaurants are open, hotels are open, and the parks are open, gyms are open, and bus station, MRT station, subway, everything is open actually. But how come still so less people are infected in Taiwan? Out of more than 79,000 testing, Taiwan has tested more than 71,000. But out of that 71,000 testing, only 441 confirmed cases we have in Taiwan. And out of this, again, how many recovered? Already more than 400 cases have been recovered. So only 19 patients, confirmed cases, uh, have to be recovered. So out of 441, we have just 19 cases who have to be recovered from this COVID-19 infection. So, and only 7 people lost lives in Taiwan. So the main reason could be this exercise and the sports, and whether it is outside or inside. As you can see here, not only walking, running, and doing exercise in the gym or in the park or on the riverside. Yeah, people here, even at night, see, just this is this group of people, and in every park you will see this kind of Tai Chi or Taekwondo or whatever exercise they like to do, they will do, and this way they keep their body fit and healthy. And I think this is one of the reasons why Taiwanese are less infected. And this kind of exercise in the evening, they come out in the evening, then they will do it here in the park. And this is everywhere here in Taiwan. And this Tai Chi exercise is just beside my apartment building here in Taiwan. But while in the West or in the East or in other countries, why so many people are infected? I think it has something to do with their diet and also with their immune system. Now, the main reason, the benefits of regular exercise, as we all know, it boosts our immune system. And if we have high immune system through exercise, through balanced diet, through good diet, and through active life, actually, COVID-19 viruses cannot actually attack our body. Our immune system will protect. So I think this is one of the reasons why Taiwanese are less infected. As you can see here now in the gym. See here in the gym, I myself using the mask and do. But some people, they don't even wear masks because they think they are strong. So, and nobody has infected in my gym here, in our gym here. And because I just like to be careful, and so I just use masks. But other people don't use actually. So, and so far we don't have any cases from our gym, from New Power Gym here in New Taipei City. So this is one I can show you. This is where I go and do exercise. And like this, all the gyms here in Taiwan are open, and people can come and do exercise properly. And the one thing I like to tell you is, in Taiwan, yes, the gyms are open, but it doesn't mean they're careless. Yeah, first thing, when you come into the gym, your hands will be clean with the hand sanitizer sprays. And then they will use the scanner machine and check your body temperature. If you are found to have very high temperatures, yes, of course, you cannot enter and you cannot train in the gym. So you have to go to the hospital and check, do the testing and check yourself if you are okay or not. So this is what we do. And the other one is, in the gym, they clean this gym equipment and the machine and the floor 3 to 5 times a day by using those liquid sanitizers. And that's why nobody's infected in the gym. We all feel safe. So the best medicine to protect ourselves from COVID-19 is to do regular exercise, whether it is indoor or it is outdoor. You have to, depending on your situation, you have to find out the right place or places to do regular exercise. Here in Taiwan, we are fine. We can go to the gym, we can go out to the park, to the riverside, and still do exercise. But if your country has locked down, then you can do at home. There are so many exercises you can do. And the other one is please try to eat good and a balanced diet and try to follow the World Health Organization's